Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a confetti cannon. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my black pen to draw the cannon. Now let's join these two straight lines. Let's draw its handle. Let's draw some circles. I'm coloring the handle with brown. And now I'm using yellow-orange color in the middle of it. I'm using the same color in the circles. In the empty spaces, I'm using yellow. I'm using my pencil a bit. Now I'm going to do my most favorite part. I will make it really colorful. So let's begin. I'm starting with red. And now I'm using cyan. It's really fun. Okay, now I'm going to use yellow. And now I'm using blue. Finally, I'm using purple. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.